Hello guys, welcome to ECOWAS Center. As usual, we continue allowing you an excellent motor vehicle experience. We are continuing our journey of car import duty calculation and the real cost. This is the fact that many people are facing this kind of difficulties when it comes to car import duty calculation, and ECOWAS Center is here to take you through, help you a lot to know what to do and what not to do. And we have helped a lot of people in one way or the other. So this is 2017 Hyundai Elantra, import duty costs as of October 2025 in Ghana. Current import duty rate. So let me do just brief presentation about the data you are going to use to calculate this import duty on any car. This is the current state of it. We have CIF value, import duty, VAT, NHIL, National Health Insurance Scheme, Get Fund, Special Import Levy, ECOWAS Levy, ICUMS Levy, and then processing fee. These are the main requirements you are going to use whenever you want to clear your car from the harbor. This is the main requirement you are going to meet before you can clear your car. So let's take note about it. So moving forward, I'm not going to waste my time on this video, but what I want you to do for me is to just subscribe if you haven't done so, and also make sure you share my video and comment. If you want me to do any video about car import duty, drop the details and the CIF in the comment section. I will come out and do that video for you, because we are all helping ourselves to understand and get more useful to these systems as well. Okay, so we have CIF value of 37,500 Ghana cedi, and we purchased this car $2,500. It's very clean, very neat, and very low mileage, and it's not overhead. Depending on type of car you bought, maybe some are Asian cars, some are long used cars, some are old, so depending, and we have a lot of them specs. This is 2017 Elantra GT Sports, and it is very advanced one, so the price is a bit high. Purchase price $2,500, and we are going to use it to calculate the import duty. So with the shipment and the insurance, all of them cost 37,500 Ghana cedi. Import duty 5%. It will deduct it from the purchase price. It will give you 1,875 Ghana cedi. VAT is 15%. It's 6,089.06. NHIL 2.5%. 1,014 cedi.84 Ghana cedi. Get Fund Levy 2.5% at the same, and also it give you 1,014.84 Ghana cedi. We have special import duty of 2%, and it's 750 Ghana cedi. We have ECOWAS Levy 0.5%. It is 187.50 Ghana cedi, and we have ICUMS Levy 0.75%, which is 281.25 Ghana cedi, and then we have processing fee of. So this is just simple, and someone may ask why the rates are very low, because this is 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and this car is just 8 years old. It's not over age at all, so they have removed all the penalties, all the taxes, and all the extra charges on it. This is my personal calculation. Please, I'm not an agent from the Ghana Custom Authority or GRA, but this is my knowledge I have to calculate my own import duty cars. So price may vary due to the exchange rate, due to how much you buy the car, due to where the car is coming from, so many things. If anyone impersonating me, using my name to collecting money from people out there, please be vigilant. It is not me, and I have no knowledge about it. Okay, so the total duty for this 2017 Hyundai Elantra is 11,712.50 Ghana cedi. Addition plus the total cost including CIF is 49,212.50 Ghana cedi. So the total duty cost 11,712 12.50 Ghana cedi. Isn't that awesome? This is very low duty because the car is not overage, the mileage is low, the car is clean, and all the taxes and charges removed out of it. This is very low import duty, I might say. So I always advise you guys to buy new model cars than to purchase old model cars to avoid penalties and extra charges when you enter the harbor long room. If you want to clear a car and you want to do it by yourself, I will not advise you to go alone from the harbor, but you have to get an agent inside, which is a custom GRA agent, to help you, assist you to clear your own car. That will help you a lot. You may create the account, but to get authorization to have access and approval, you have to get an agent inside to assist you. That one you may pay something, but it is better than to go alone and stuck yourself inside there. That's my advice, guys. Let me summarize it. CIF value of 37,500 Ghana cedi, import duty 5%, 1,875 Ghana cedi, VAT 15%, 6,089.06 Ghana cedi, NHIL 2.5%, 1,014.84 Ghana cedi, and get fund 2.5%, 1,014.84 Ghana cedi, and special import duty is 2%, which is 750 Ghana cedi. ECOWAS Levy 0.5%, 187.50 Ghana cedi. ECOWAS Levy 0.75%, 281.25 Ghana cedi. Then the processing fee is 500 Ghana cedi. Some cars you may pay 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 plus, depending on the age and the current status of the car. This is Eric Auto Center. If my videos are helping you and you are getting benefit from it, please don't hesitate at all to hit the subscribe button, share my videos, also comment and like as well. Subscribe and click that notification bell so that you won't miss any video we upload on this platform. Until I see you in the next video, stay blessed. I welcome new subscribers. I welcome those who have been subscribed for a very long time, and I really appreciate your support. I much appreciate for those sharing my videos, comment, like weekly basis. Big shout out to Nasir, big shout out to Evans, Ofori, or whatever this is the name. You are doing so much great for helping this and promote this channel. Every single video you guys comment, I really appreciate it. And I'll see you sometime and someday ahead of us. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.